Welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today we're doing an Alabama white sauce. Stick around. Alright, these are our ingredients. We're going to do about 2 cups of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, same with the onion, about a teaspoon of prepared Dijon, or you could use mustard, horseradish, prepared horseradish. I can't talk today. Worcestershire, gonna go with about 4 tablespoons, and a half a cup of apple cider. Gonna do a teaspoon of black pepper and about a teaspoon of salt. Let me get this started with the mayonnaise, and I'll bring you right back. Now I'm gonna eyeball this. I think there we go. Looks good. Like I said, you could use Dijon mustard instead of the horseradish. I had some brown mustard there, but I decided I wasn't going to use that. 2 teaspoons there. And I'm just going to eyeball my onion powder and my garlic powder, because I may add more later on, just because I like the flavors of those two. So with the onion, a little more than a teaspoon. Matter of fact, I was going with 2 anyway, so there we go. And you toss it in like you want to. That'll be your measurement of how you want it. My black pepper. Be all I want of that. And my salt. Looks good to me. Set that down there. Worcestershire. All right, looks good. One thing I will measure, because I want to be real careful with it, and that is my vinegar. It's nothing worse than having over vinegared what you want. All right, got all our ingredients in there. Gonna give this a mix. Okay, this has come together, looking absolutely beautiful. Tastes awesome. I think I'll add maybe a pinch of salt to this. But I got some chicken that I'm grilling up on the smoker. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator, let it chill out, while I wait on my chicken. Get it a taste. But as of now, this is perfect. I love it. Like I said, I may add a little salt to it. There's a lot of different recipes out there for this. Find the one you like. If you like this one, hey, give me a thumbs up on it. But I'll bring you back for the chicken and the final taste test. We'll see you in a minute. All right. Got me a little bit of chicken there, some mac and cheese, and some squash. We're gonna get into this sauce a little bit here. Good smoked chicken. Just gonna dip it on in. Oops, well, maybe I shouldn't have. Okay. That made me a little thicker than most you see. Plus, it hasn't had time to sit and chill. But that's got a wonderful flavor. Little bite there in the back. But definitely complimenting that chicken very well. So if you like this one, like I said earlier, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, tell a friend about me, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you on the next one.